The phrase marriage ring is a small handcuff. Marriage ring is a small handcuff. So, is it literally a small handcuff, or what does it mean? A popular idiom or saying, not a literal fact that suggests marriage, like handcuffs, can be a form of restriction of imprisonment, and therefore a person should carefully consider their choice of a partner. No. The saying warns that a poor choice of a cellmate can lead to a lifelong sentence from which it may be hard to escape. The meaning of interpretation of this word is a restriction. Restriction of this is the following. A wedding ring physically encircles the finger, like mine here. Just as handcuffs encircles wrist, this physical similarity is used to symbolize the potential restriction or loss of freedom that marriage can sometimes bring forth. Commitment. While handcuffs are a symbol of being captive, a wedding ring also represents a deep commitment to one person, often for life. Consequences. These are consequences of choice now. The imprisonment and sentence metaphors. These are just metaphors. Imprisonment and sentence are just metaphors that highlights the significance of the consequences of choosing the wrong spouse. The idiom emphasizes the importance of carefully selecting a partner to ensure the marriage leads to happiness rather than suffocating experience. Now, it's a personal responsibility. The saying that marriage ring is a small handcuff, it places a responsibility on the individual to make wise choices and to ensure their marital bond is positive and working and effective one. In essence, the saying is a cautionary reminder to be deliberate in choosing a life partner, likening the commitment of marriage to a long-time confinement and encouraging careful thought to avoid undesirable sentence in life. Remember, marriage ring is a small handcuff ever made. So choose your prison well so that you may not be engaged in prison break. Think about it.